Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA G650 series. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to your computer. Once you fill up the ink tank and also install the print head, align printer and load paper, then you need to press this button. Press and hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It will show you follow the instruction on your PC or smartphone. The next thing to do is we need to go to this website, ijstart.canon. So go to laptop start. You can use Google. Go to Google, then type Canon IJ setup. Canon IJ setup. Then select Canon official manual. Then select language as English. Then select setup. Then select your region, Europe. Scroll down and select PIXMA G650 series. Select PIXMA. Then select G series. Then look for G650 series on the list. Select on it. It will show you the printer. Then you select start. Then you select set up a new printer or connect computer or smartphones. Then select set up a new printer. Then we'll give you this information. Remove all the paper and etc. Select next. Select next. Turn the printer on. You must have done all this. Select next. Then you select next. Load the paper. You must have done all this. Printer preparation complete. Then you select next. Download and run the software to start set up your computer. Select download. And also it will pick up the computer you are using. My laptop is Windows. So select download. Then go on top. Once the file is downloaded, then you need to open the file. Select file. It will show you Canon IJ software. Select yes. It will show you extracting. Start setup. Then select start setup. Before you continue, this software may use the network to set up the printer. Then select next. Acquiring the latest driver and software. Licensing agreement. Scroll up and select yes to licensing agreement. Select agree. Processing, please wait momentarily. Checking the printer status. Select connection method. Wi-Fi connection. Then you select next. Location settings. Select location. Set location service. Then switch on location. Then select next. Turn the power on. Then select next. Printer dictation. So it's going to search for the printer. The printer is found G600 series. Then select on it. Then select next. Setting up. Network connection is temporarily disabled during the setup. This may take a few minutes. Please wait momentarily. And also it will show you on the screen connecting. Connection complete. It will show you the printer and laptop and router. So the printer is connected. And also you need to select OK. Easy wireless connect is complete. Then select OK. So the printer is connected. The next thing to do is select Next. Select Next. Installing MP drivers. Processing, please wait momentarily. The printer is being registered to your computer. This process may take a few minutes. You are now able to print from computer. Then select Print Test Page. So it's printing the test page to confirm the connection. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon G650 series on laptop. So this is to confirm the connection is successful. Then you select OK. We show you are now able to print from your computer. Then you select Next. Processing, please wait momentarily. Wait a minute. Continue online by visiting the website. Then it will take you to Canon website and for you to select ink subscription plan, but it's not compulsory, so I'm going to close this. Then another thing is, if you want, you can add this to Canon Print app. If you go to Windows Start, go to Microsoft Store, then install Canon Print app. Select Canon Print app. Download and install this on your PC. Open the file. Once you open the file, then you wait for the printer to show. Then scroll to the side. This is the printer. Canon G650 series online. This is Canon Print app. And from this app, you can print documents, you can scan documents, you can print photo. Thank you very much indeed.